Tracking the tropics, we are keeping our watchful eye on Tropical Storm Barry as it gets closer to the coast in Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Jennifer Correa. Let's talk about the latest on Barry. Here's satellite imagery. This is infrared. Notice that the convection is to the south of the center of Barry. There's a zoom, but doesn't mean there's not going to be a lot of rainfall eventually getting into the Big Easy and in the deep south and even up through the Mississippi River. So, as of 8 a.m. this morning on this Friday, maximum sustained winds are at 50 miles per hour. The central minimum pressure has decreased a little bit. This is a sign of there could be some strengthening. So with the next advisory, if we see that it further decreases, well, that's a sign that Barry is strengthening. There is a window where Barry could become a Category 1 hurricane, and this will most likely happen by tomorrow morning, if not tonight. But as it does become a Category 1, it'll be right before it gets close to landfall, close to the coast in Louisiana. Now, regardless of development, Barry is still a threat, huge flood threat. A dangerous storm surge and dangerous flooding is expected. Here's a look at the forecast cone. So Barry will eventually move further inland in the northerly direction, almost parallel to the Mississippi River, and of course, moving over inland, Barry will weaken, but plenty of rain is expected to spread up into the Midwest by next week. Watches and warnings. Hurricane warning in red includes Morgan City, Louisiana, and much of the central coast of Louisiana. Then further inland, the yellow is a tropical storm warning. This includes New Orleans. Now, this could change depending on the intensity of Barry. Storm surge watches and warnings still in effect along the coast. 3 to 6 foot storm surge is expected, plus 10 to 15 inches of rainfall with maximum amounts of 25 inches local spots. Now, the heaviest rainfall will lie in southeastern Louisiana and on the eastern side of the Mississippi River. Now, the Mississippi River is already under flash flood warnings as the levels have risen. Now, here's a look at the forecast model. The oranges, the yellows are the highest amounts from southeastern Louisiana up through Mississippi and even parts of western Alabama as well. So, a huge rain event. Not only do we have Barry, but we do have an area, tropical wave, out in the central Atlantic, moving westward 15 to 20 miles per hour. This area has a low chance for development, but just something we'll have to keep a watchful eye as we continue to track Barry. For more on the tropics, head over to cbsmiami.com to the weather page and click on Tracking the Tropics. Also tune in to CBS4 for the latest updates, not only on the tropics, but on our local weather as well.